You can hear it in her voice, pure panic. But panic doesn't erase responsibility. What she's describing feels real to her, but already, something doesn't add up. Fear can distort reality, and that's exactly where this case starts to shift.
Miss Stewart, how old were your daughters?
They were 7 and 9 at the time.
Okay.
See if she can.
Miss Fenby?
This is where the judge quietly dismantles the entire defense. Because once you slow the moment down, it stops looking like instinct and starts looking like a decision. That walk, that swing, those seconds matter more than anything she's saying.
All right.
That question right there, what makes me believe you won't do this again? That's the heart of it. Not punishment. Not anger. Risk. The judge isn't just looking at what happened. He's trying to predict what could happen next time.
Okay. But I also don't think that jail time is it.
I would like to
Because
say,
I don't.
I did
Go
explain.
ahead.
I did explain to my daughters what. So me of my request is requests from my daughters, and then me explaining what the possibility of what the sentencing would be, and I did talk to them about what probation was offering, and as my daughters who are now 14 and 12, from the words of their mouths, they said that's it. That's all she would get.
No, I understand.
So I'm just
Yeah.
saying, and so yes, I am here fighting for what my daughters would want, or what the words they said to me. So I know how things are, but in their head and what they interpret and what they see, and what they saw and what I think they think what they feel the law.
And now, it's no longer about two adults. It's about kids watching their mother get hurt. That's the kind of moment that sticks for life. You can feel the defendant's regret, but regret always comes after the damage is done.
Or something is happening in a particular way, that doesn't mean doing X on this end is the right thing. Because I think that way, quite frankly, that's how our kids get in a lot of trouble.
Mhm.
And so it's going to take moms like you, like my mom, like all of those moms out there to teach kids that there's a different way, despite what their reaction may be. So I understand what they say. I get it, because I know how I'd feel if it was my mom that was hit. Okay? I don't know that it would have turned out that way. I could see me and my brother coming out of that back seat. I don't know. All right? That's if we could beat my sisters out of there. So I get it. But I think they need to be shown that there's also a better way. And that certain things aren't going to happen the way that they want. I will just say also, in a moment of levity, having raised a daughter and also having my niece, that while I appreciate their thought process in it, I don't know that I'm going to be taking sentencing advice from 14-year-olds. I just, because they have their own way of thinking about the world. I mean, I appreciate their view, but no, we let them run the world. We're all going to be in trouble. But anyway.
This is rare. The judge isn't just sentencing, he's teaching. He's looking past the incident and focusing on impact, on values, on what those children take away from this. And surprisingly, he sees something right in how the victim handled it.
So appreciate that. Thank you.
This is the moment everything gets deeper. It's not just about an assault anymore. It's about perception, race, and how kids interpret justice in the real world. And the judge doesn't ignore that, but he also refuses to let emotion redefine what justice should be.